Today we are discussing example sums, page number 290. First example, show that cot theta plus tan theta equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay, what is given LHS? LHS equal to cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, you know cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now see the denominator here sin theta, here cos theta. So LCM is sin theta into cos theta. Okay, sin theta get cancel, cos theta into cos theta plus here cos theta get cancel, sin theta into sin theta. Okay, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. You know cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1 according to identity. Sin theta into cos theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, that's why here write 1. 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, 1 by sin theta into cos theta can be written as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Okay, you know 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta, because 1 by sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta is the reciprocal of secant theta. So this is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS equal to RHS and screw. Now second example, page number 290. So that tan square theta plus tan for 4 theta equal to secant for 4 theta minus secant square theta. Okay, what is given LHS? LHS equal to tan square theta plus tan for 4 theta. Okay, now tan square theta plus tan for 4 theta can be written as tan square theta into tan square theta, because tan square theta into tan square theta, tan for 4 theta. Now here in first term tan square theta, second term also tan square theta have. So you take common this term, tan square theta taken out common, here 1 plus here tan square is there. So if you take common the tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now tan square theta means it can be written as secant square theta minus 1 according to identity 2. So tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1 into 1 plus tan square theta. Now secant square theta minus 1 into 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta, because you know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So secant square theta equal to 1 plus minus tan square theta transfer to right side plus tan square theta. So secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. At the same time, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Plus 1 comes this side, minus 1 minus tan square theta, tan square theta. So secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Okay. So is it clear? Tan square theta will be written as secant square theta minus 1 here. 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. Okay. Now secant square theta into secant square theta, secant power 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta, secant square theta. Okay. So this is RHS. See, secant for 4 theta minus secant square theta. So hence proved. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Example 3. So that square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. It is very important, sir. Okay. Square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. What is given LHS? LHS equal to square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. See here, what is the given denominator? 1 minus cos theta. That's why this whole fraction multiply and divided by 1 plus cos theta. That means rational relation. Okay. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Here multiply and divided by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, that's why here 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Here see the formula a minus b into a plus b. That means a square minus b square. Here a place 1, so 1 square. 1 square means 1 minus b square. Here in the b place cos, so b square means cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, a square minus b square. A square means 1, 1 square means 1, 1 minus cos square theta. Understand? A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta, you know, sin square theta according to identity 1, because you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here 1 minus cos square theta, that means sin square theta equal to plus cos square theta transfer to right side it will be minus cos square theta. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Understand? That's why here 1 minus cos square theta means you write sin square theta. Okay? Now 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square theta, both have squares. That means 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square can be written as total whole square, because 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square theta both have squares. We know a power m by b power m, a by b whole power m. That's why 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Here square root get cancel. We get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by, it can be written as 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Here both have sin theta denominator. That's why 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta plus cos by sin theta. You know 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta. This is the reciprocal of cosecant theta. Plus cos theta by sin theta, you know cot theta. So that is equal to RHS. Understand? Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proof. Understand? Thank you.